This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap.
This is the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. U.S. stocks rallied in triple digits most of the day, pushing the Dow to record highs to start off this fourth quarter. The Wall Street showed optimism that the worst of the credit crunch may be over and that further interest rate cuts might be in the offing before the end of the year. Institute of Supply Management's manufacturing index came in at 52 in the month, down from the 52.9 reading for August. Any reading above 50 indicates growth in that sector. Bill Gross, the manager of the world's biggest bond fund, PIMCO, said that falling home prices will be the main driver of U.S. monetary policy for several years, and repeated his forecast that the Fed will lower the Fed funds rate at least to 3.75% in the next 12 months. The tentative contract between General Motors and the United Auto Workers Union would allow GM to close a plant each in Michigan and Indiana and possibly shut down several other facilities. There's also a number of mergers and acquisitions today. Nokia is buying U.S. navigation software maker Navtech Corp. For around $8.1 billion. The deal's been approved by both companies. And Axiom reported that private equity firms that agreed in May to buy the company have backed out of the $2.25 billion deal. Axiom will receive $65 million to terminate that merger agreement. Countrywide Financial Chairman and CEO Angelo Mozillo cashed in $138 million in stock options over the last year, switching his trading plans as the mortgage company went into a tailspin. Mozillo unloaded 4.9 million Countrywide shares, most of which he bought through exercising options. Well, it's the first day of October, but Walmart's already in a holiday spirit. Walmart said it cut prices between 10 to 50% beginning this week on select number of toys. Company said it will announce new discounts every week through the holiday shopping season. Well, in earnings news, Citigroup, the nation's largest financial institution, warned its third quarter earnings are likely to decline 60% as it takes more than $3 billion in write-downs for securities backed by underperforming mortgages and loans tied to corporate buyouts. Walgreens Company said its fourth quarter profit dropped nearly 4%. Net income for the company slipped to $396.5 million or 40 cents a share. Analysts were looking for 47 cents. Scheduled economic reports on Tuesday include the pending home sales for August. That's the only major one out. And earnings tomorrow include Micron Technology, Pepsi Bottling Group, and Twin Disc. Stocks in the news. Credit Suisse Group said it expects to report a third quarter profit of at least $860 million within its previously stated range of earnings despite turmoil in the market. Bello Corp will split into two public companies with its television stations managed by one and the newspaper spun off into another. And Tarragon Corporation, the New York developer of multifamily housing for rent and for sale, mainly in the Northeast, Florida, Texas, and Tennessee, entered an agreement under which Fannie Mae will reinstate $79.6 million worth of loans it made to Tarragon and its affiliates. And that's the Market Wrap. On this Monday, I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.